Convener of conglomerate of 14 CSOs, Santa Nahakpam, has informed that the CSOs have written a representation letter containing multiple points to Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India and has set 3 weeks' time as ultimatum before approaching High Court of Manipur. Speaking to media persons in this regard at the Office of International Peace and Social Advancement in Kashampa today, Santa Nahakpam said the representation letter was sent by referring to demographic imbalance in Manipur, Article 14, Article 70, Article 19, Article 21, Article 326 and Supreme Court of India Anup Bandhari versus Union of India 2023 case. It highlighted on the importance of implementation of NRC in Manipur before going forward with census. While referring to unrest situation in Manipur and earlier example of postponement of census in other states such as in Assam and Jammu and Kashmir, the 14 CSOs in the representation letter apprised Registrar General and Census Commissioner of India to postpone the census exercise in Manipur. Through the letter, 14 CSOs also demanded comparison between State Revenue Department's data on recognized village list with that of Census 2011 village list, so that any discrepancy can be detected and resolved. Further, Santa Nahakpam also urged government to respect the resolution of a meeting between COCOMI and other CSOs along with a MHA advisor, while asserting that 14 CSOs will never compromise and oppose on inappropriate census that undermines the interests of indigenous communities in Manipur.
Same style among the Tabaks in Jetaway, I say. Masi Kami, Census Kimatanda, one CSOs in education, Taway, Nangi Tantreki, Todoxi Matunda, Niam Zida, Hammo Mamin, and Drabota, Toman, Angle, the Sakari, Lady situation, update of we process on lating, a season lating, around late, Atopa, Sakari, but the Flamen of the lating. Although Sakarina, Poida, CSO, Mam, the Ying, Niam, Marata, CSOs in Zigi, Women in Zida, Toanba. Mugnaba, Saunaba, Nuanadaba, Amadi, new CSO Mayama, pop up to Laganda, Magi, Mamanaba, Magan, never seen Magi, Maruma Banks in the Waris and Araga, Lebas in Dun, many I will Wakalonama, Layas, the Masi Lebedon Toy. India women give quietly Wamatata, Noriski advisor Bau, Waris and Araba, Adu ignore of the Toga, Miam the Kotuna Honora Kanda, same style of nature the Satar Pose, Masia CSO Mams in Yabangam way,